This establishing shot introduces the raw materials phase, utilizing 70-75.
Lesson on a duel. This scene demonstrates the massive scale and complexity of parts management required before any assembly work begins.
Easy on the left. Copy that. Steadying the swing now.
Make sure that harness is fully seated before you torque the bolt.
Okay, I have it.
Clear to lift section 3, maintain slow and steady ascent.
Roger. Section 3 is away from the floor. Stabilized.
(1,200 fasteners per join, installed in precise sequence. The complete fuselage assembly, 88 feet long, is now ready for systems installation.
Main wing spar, 7.5 inches thick. It supports the entire aircraft weight.
Clear on the left side, moving to checkpoint 3.
Roger that, easing off the tension now.
Watch the clearance on the starboard tip. Alignment confirmed at Point Charlie. We have green across the board.
Copy that. Descending slowly. Clearance checks are positive.
A monumental achievement. The complete airframe, all 174 feet of wingspan,
Is the pressure holding on the green system?
Check the manifold connection, it's loose.
We're clear on the flight controls.
Unit 45B secure. Status LEDs are green.
Confirmed on the diagram. Let's move to the comms array now. The 00 ejection seat requires precise installation, ensuring survivability at any speed or altitude, with custom-fitted
Pressure is good. Green across the board.
Flight controls check complete. Thumbs up on sequence test.
All right, slowly now. Watch the clearance on the left. Copy that. Coming down easy. Clear on this side. Keep going.
propulsion is complete, we can move to the landing gear next week.
Agreed. The structure is ready for the stress test.
Easy now, bring it down 5 inches, hold it right there, it looks good. Lock it in.
Okay, ease now. We're showing green on the alignment pins.
Confirmed, set it down slowly. We're securing the main bolts now.
Flight controls, first to 10.
Checked, surface response nominal.
Engine bleed air.
Closed and verified.